Welcome back, fellow Fazbear engineers. We hope you are having a fantastic summer so far. Last week, one of our characters, Foxy the Pirate Fox, was going through some malfunctions, causing him to act differently towards the children. It is your duty to make sure that nothing is wrong with the wiring, checking to see if he is in his proper working order, and he can go back to the children. First order of business: taking off the animatronic suit. Be very, very careful with this step, because the suit itself is one of the many outdated spring-lock suits. And if you handle them improperly, you will end up like it. Next up, making sure the animatronic itself is in maintenance mode. On the back of the endoskeleton head, there should be a little button. Press on it once, and it should revert back to its normal state. If there is another worker there with you, send him to the other room to clean up the animatronic suit. Take Foxy's right arm, and detach his hook.